Vicky here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and it's one from a company that I really love, and it's Newcraftday, and you've seen me make many of their diamond paintings, and I just have so much fun making them. And so when they approach me and tell me that they've got new products, I just can't wait to see them. And that's exactly what happened here, is that they've got a bunch of new products, and I think you're going to really adore them. So, and in the description box below, you'll find a link to all the products as well as a discount code for you guys to use. And so let's check this out. I love this thing so much. This is a diamond painting, but it's one of those hanging basket things. So hopefully you guys can kind of see. So you put the rod here and see it opens up, and look at these. It's all butterflies. How cool are these? Right? I can't wait. I can't wait to try this out. I think it's gonna be so pretty and so fun to hang in my craft space, so that I can actually use it to store items. And then they had the most gorgeous little keychains, and honestly these I will be keeping as keychains because they're just so cute. They're so cute, and I want to send them out as keychains. So there's this little fox, obviously the little rabbit, you know where it's gonna go. Then there's this little piggy, there's this little raccoon, and there's another little bunny rabbit. So super adorable. Is it a bunny, that one, or is it a mouse? It might be a mouse, that one. I think that one is a mouse. This is the bunny. So I just thought they were super precious and would be so much fun to make. And I love when they're small projects like this because it doesn't take that long to do, and sometimes you just want to have a little bit of crafty time, but you don't want to be spending hours and hours on end on making a project. But you do want to make something, and you want to make something that's easy. So diamond paintings, I just find that they're so relaxing because you can watch something else, and you're just like, you let your mind wander, and it's just very beneficial, at least to me. When I'm stressed out, this just takes my mind away of what's going on. And then this one I'm hoping to use in my craft space. So this one is something completely different than the typical things that they've had in the past, and it's actually a clock. And check that out, guys. How cool is that for an art studio, having the clock like this? I just thought it was so neat and would be perfect to hang in here. So you've got this, you've got the needle, the handles, I should say, and then obviously all that you need to make it. So I'm very anxious to get this one done. I know this one will take longer, but I do now have a tool that I can put down multiple diamond paintings, diamonds at once. So I'm going to be trying that out on this, but I just love it so much. And I'm going to sneeze. Maybe not. Okay, so I'll be able to finish the video maybe. So I can't wait to share with you guys the making of these. I think it's going to be so much fun, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know that a lot of you guys like the diamond paintings and feel like I do, that it just takes your mind off. And I love that they're coming out with new types of products like these, like this basket thing. and this clock, so that it's not just wall hanging. Same thing with the little keychains. I just find it makes for a variety, because there's only so much wall space, even though this clock will go on the wall, but you understand what I mean. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon with this project. Look forward to it in upcoming videos. Love you. Bye.